Welcome to this training again. In this video I'll be showing you how to add your xMGT and your unit coin to your Trust wallet. So first we start with this. This is xMGT and this is the contract address. So I will copy the contract address of the xMGT. So I copy it and then go to my Trust wallet. Here's my Trust wallet. So how do I add this to my Trust wallet? You look at this place, you have crypto here, you have watch list, you have this. So you come to this last point, and then click it, open it, and then you see manage crypto. So click on manage crypto and then you see these coins. So what do? On this search box, click it and paste that address that you copied into it. Just paste it. Okay. So I click on, yes, you can see xMGT has come out. So you just click xMGT has come out. You activate it through this button. Okay. So that is it. You've just added the xMGT to your wallet. So you can see it here now. It's already showing here. So I have 27.075. All right. I've added the xMGT. The next thing is for me to also add the unit coin. So I go back to copy the contract address of the unit coin, which is this one. So remember I said the contract address of unit coin. So I click on this, copy it, and go back to my wallet. I'll get into my wallet. I pass through the same process again. All right, just come to this place, click it, open, and then look for manage crypto. Yes, I'll click on this search box and paste that address again. Yes, unit coin has come up, so I'll click on this to activate it. Can you see? Remember that in the last video I showed you how to go and claim your unit coin, but it did not reflect inside this wallet. Now that I have activated it here, now we'll go back to my wallet to see if the unit coin is reflecting. So we'll go back to my main wallet and check. Can you see? This is my unit coin, 714. So xMGT is 27. So if you have not completed your own, you have not collected, go back to your wallet, go and check, and make sure that you are building your team. This is only available for those who are already in the smart contract, who have activated at least one NFT level, or to at least any level. If you have not activated any NFT level, you shouldn't expect to get your xMGT or unit coin. And we'll be saying that you should be doing something because Magnet was going to start on a very top speed now. Very soon, some other products are going to be coming in, especially from next week. So please, if you have not activated your NFT level, go and do so. If you don't know what to do, DM me. I will direct you how to set up your wallet, how to connect, how to buy your coin, and start something. Remember, 50% discount is still available. If you don't take action now, the moment they bring those products next week, your 50% discount will go. And then you will not blame me. I've been saying this over and over and over and over. It is time now. You're already seeing things are happening now. If you don't wake up and do something, they will leave you behind. All right, thank you. That is it on how to activate your coin and make sure that they are in your wallet. If you have not taken action, do the needful and you will have everything in your wallet. God bless you.